Kung single kayo ngayon, make the most out of this singleness. Ipalaguin nyo yung pansarili nyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam, like me,
Behind the curtain,
God is really preparing someone for you. And kung hindi ka nagpe-prepare right now that you are single, baka matagalan pa ang pagbigay sa'yo. So right now, mag-prepare ka na.
Parang ano lang yan. Kung gusto
Manda
mo
ka na
magkaroon
sa
ng
laban.
kotse,
Yes, mag-aral ka muna mag-drive. Kumuha ka muna ng license.
yes.
Ang dami mong kailangang i-prepare and maybe yun yung gusto na. Madalas naman yun ang gusto natin. Gusto na natin kagad ng outcome, pero yung preparation to have it, hindi natin ginagawa. So, isipin nyo, ano ba yung gustong ipaprepare sa akin ni Lord? Kasi pag talagang tamang-tama ng panahon, hitik na ang bunga, dadating at dadating yan.
Dati iniisip ko, sino kaya magmamahal kay Alex? Because she can be too funny, too naughty, or too crazy at times. Then I realized, you will never be too much for the right person because he will never see you the way others see you. He looks at your soul and sees your heart. Ganyan ang tunay na pagmamahal. Hindi ka babaguhin, pero yayakapin ka ng buong buo. I'm so happy for my sister because she finally found her forever.